everyone, and सब चीज से पहले I decided to actually give you all a name. I just don't want to call you as guys, so I decided on giving you name as healers because I believe you are healers because you're healing yourself. So I'll call you healers. So hi healers, welcome back to my channel. This is your Shioshi, and today we are talking about something that's really serious for me also that I pretty much faced a lot. भाई ऐसा फील हुआ है जैसे तुम कुछ भी कर लो, बस तुम काफी नहीं हो, तुम स्मार्ट नहीं हो, तुम स्लिम नहीं हो, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहे हो, चाहे तुम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो, यू आर नॉट जस्ट परफेक्ट. अगर ऐसा है, सो लेट मी टेल यू, यू आर नॉट बोर्न टू एक्चुअली हेट योरसेल्फ. ये चीज तुम्हारे अंदर डाला गया है थ्रू सोसाइटीज, थ्रू स्कूल्स, थ्रू पीपल. और आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं कि कैसे तुम एक्चुअली खुद से नफरत करना स्टार्ट किए हो एंड हम लोग कैसे दोबारा इस चीज को वापस से सेल्फ लव में बदल सकते हैं. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर माई चाइल्डहुड व्हेन आई वाज 10. मेरे खुद के रिलेटिव्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स यूज्ड टू से कि यार तू मोटी है, तू काली है, बट क्यूट है यार, तू क्यूट है. सो इट ऑल्दो फेल्ट लाइक कि वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, बट समवेयर आई न्यू वो नहीं है. And I used to smile so that I could hide my own pain and insecurity they just planted in me. But later on, I could clearly see कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा था. I started doing remedies, home remedies at a very young age. At a very young age. I was just 10 only when I started doing home remedies and applying on my own faces. And I was just 13 when I started dieting and exercising to lose excess weight. The same people started calling me pretty. My school friends used to mock me up, saying you're not pretty, you're fat, you look like this, you're that. They had so many things to say about me. But now, after lockdown, when I went back to school, they were like, oh my god, you're not the same girl. How come you turned like this? Now the same people who used to laugh at my face, they're like, oh my god, now you're so pretty. They're talking to me suddenly. I don't need you. So you can just get lost. मोस्टली हर जगह मेरे को ये फील कराया गया था कि काफी नहीं है, हम जैसे भी है. आई एम नॉट एक्सेप्टेड एंड आई वुड नेवर बी एक्सेप्टेड बाय एनीवन. इवन द कार्टून्स व्हिच आई यूज्ड टू सी, उन्होंने मुझे बताया ब्यूटीफुल का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है. बीइंग स्लिम, फिटिंग इनटू देयर ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स, देयर कैटेगरी, एंड आई टोटली डिडंट फिट इन. तब बड़ी हुई तब समझ आया ये सब सिर्फ स्कूल से लिमिटेड तो नहीं था. सोसाइटीज इनसिक्योरिटीज क्रिएट करती हैं ताकि वो इनसिक्योर बेच सके. ब्यूटी ब्रांड्स ने फेयरनेस क्रीम बनाए, इंस्टाग्राम ने हमें फिल्टर्स प्रोवाइड किए सो दैट हम कभी अपने असली चेहरे को पसंद ही ना कर सके. आई स्पेंड आवर्स लुकिंग एट अदर पीपल एंड कंपेयर माई सेल्फ विद देम एंड थिंक कि काश हम भी ऐसे होते, काश हम इतने सुंदर होते, काश मेरा बॉडी ऐसा होता. बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड शायद जिसको हम देख रहे हैं वो भी खुद से ना खुश है. जब तुम खुद से नफरत करते हो तो तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलता कि तुम्हारे लिए ये चीज नॉर्मल कब बन चुका है. आई यूज्ड टू अवॉइड लुकिंग एट मिरर्स फॉर आवर्स. अच्छे कपड़े पहनना नहीं पसंद करते थे, ओवरसाइज ड्रेसेस प्रेफर करते थे सो दैट आई कुड हाइड माई सेल्फ. आई अवॉइडेड क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स और यूज्ड टू डिलीट माई पिक्चर्स. आई स्टॉप्ड गेटिंग रेडी, गोइंग आउट, हैंगिंग आउट विद अदर पीपल, बिकॉज व्हेन आई डिड they just pushed me back into hell and made me realize, oh, you're fat, or you're this, or you're that, or you're ugly, oh my god, you're brown skin tone, no one would marry you. Just give me a break. And I was fucking done with this shit. That's when I actually decided on 13, I was at such a young age that I should go on a diet and do excessive workout so that I could fit into that category. और इन सब में से सबसे बुरा मोमेंट पता है क्या था? तुम अपने वर्थ को उनके वर्ड से डिफाइन करने लग जाते हो. That is the worst part. One day, I actually decided to actually stop listening to their voices. Like, I just don't care. I unfollowed those people who made me insecure and I used to compare myself with. I just unfollowed them. And the people who taunted me like, I just, starting में बहुत दिक्कत हुआ to avoid them क्योंकि वो मेरे खुद के रिश्तेदार थे. वो अब भी कमेंट करते हैं this, that, blah, blah. What I have in my mind is, तुम कमेंट करोगे because you don't fucking care and so do I. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं जाता, मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. No, I have worked for my own body and everything that I have right now, but you didn't do it. After that, I started doing everything that they said, oh, it would not look good on you, or you should not wear this, you should not go out wearing this. I did everything which they told me not to do, which would not look good on me. But you know what? I picked it up. I picked the damn lipstick. I experimented on myself. I experimented each and everything with myself. Hairstyle, makeup, fashion. not because of them or because they said, but because of me. To express myself in fashion, in makeup. And slowly, I was creating a version of me that felt happy, that felt free, and उनके शब्द, उनके ओपिनियन अब बिल्कुल मैटर नहीं करते, चाहे तुम मेरे मुंह पे आगे कुछ भी बोल के चल जाओ. They do still comment a lot of things on me, like मेरे रिश्तेदार फैमिली गैदरिंग्स में trying to point at me so that I feel more insecure. Bro, I don't care, you're just wasting your energy. Mine is protected. अगर तुम सेल्फ लव के जर्नी में हो तो याद रखना, it takes a lot of time and effort. So you have to be patient, kind, and more helping towards your own self. You don't need to be perfect for it. You need to be true to your own self and consistent with yourself. When I mean consistence, mean consistence. Yeah, इस सफर में कई बार ups and downs आएंगे. You are free to take breaks, but you cannot give up on yourself. Because you are the only person who's going to stay with yourself for your entire life, and you cannot hate this version of yourself which you are in right now. This is you, and you know you can do better. You are meant for something bigger. तुम्हारा weight, तुम्हारा skin tone, the way you speak, your flaws, and everything that you are insecure about does not define your worth. What defines your worth is something that you create. And you can create everything. What you can do is something that I already told you guys, and I hope you all are actually practicing those in your daily life and you can see visible results with it. I have talked about each and everything that you could do so that you could love yourself even more in that video. You can just go and check it out. For my cute little healers, तुम छुपाने के लिए नहीं बने हो, दिखाने के लिए तुम गलत सेंस में लोगे, so तुम दिखने के लिए बने हो. You're glowing. तो अपने ऊपर जो धूल मिट्टी लग जाता है ना, just wipe it off. You should not shut yourself, because I did that. People just used to laugh at me on my face. People just used to laugh at me in classes, and that turned me into an introvert who would just never raise a hand in a class, even though I knew the answer, just because I thought they would laugh at me, or they would judge me, or they would prove me wrong. I don't want these things to happen with you guys, because you are like my little brother and sister. So I want to protect you guys, so that what I have gone through, you should not go through it. And even if you're going through, I am literally there to help you like your entire elder sister, so that you can look up to me and I can guide you. I really hope, healers, that you find yourself.